So my name is James Harper and I'm the Hotel General Manager. The apprenticeship scheme is great for us because it lets people work whilst they're learning, which obviously develops their skills and develops them within our team as well, whilst obviously gaining qualifications and experience in that. The relationship with ourselves and business at Trearddur is really, really positive. At the moment, we've currently got 10 people on, with potential 4 going on again this year. And that's been 2 ways for the past 5 years, and it's always been really positive with ourselves and when and whoever else is coming through. The apprenticeship worked really well for ourselves because it gives people a platform to learn for, and it also gives them somewhere to progress to whilst working within the hotel. So we've been working together now with business at Trearddur for about 5 years, and during that time we probably put in triple figures of apprenticeships who have passed and obviously continued with the business. Our retention is quite high as well with those that have been on the apprenticeship scheme, which is obviously positive for us as a business. So the range of apprenticeship that we've delivered here is quite vast. We've managed to cover every department that we have within the hotel, so that's the kitchen-led, housekeeping-led, front-of-house-led, reception-based. And as I mentioned, it's massively improved our business in that way in terms of the retention and the development.